So I'm gonna go meet up with my dad for dinner and hang out with him for a little bit. My dad, when he works, he has to travel and commute. He's a truck driver, so he drives, he leaves for like 1 week, sometimes up to a month at a time, and then when he comes back, he lets me know and asks if I can hang out with him, meet him. Usually we go to dinner and stuff, so it's kind of like our regular father-daughter date. But yeah, I'll take you guys with me. Welcome to the suburbs. Landscaping here is quite amazing. We do have a lot of greens. Y aquí estamos en la casa de mi papá. Hi guys, this is my OOTD today. My necklaces are from, this is from Pearl Source, Swarovski, Mejuri, and a sweater from Topshop. This is from years and years ago, so it's super old. And then my pants, these are thrifted. And then my purse, good old nylon purse to go with everything. And then I'll be wearing some Nike Court Visions to go with this outfit. outside my best friend's apartment complex, or like inside her complex, but waiting outside her apartment. She went to go pick up her son. Her son goes to my elementary school across the street. I'm just waiting on her. And then that is my high school. Everything happening is on one street. One thing about the suburbs lives, I don't even want to say like small town, like it feels like a small town for us because we grew up here, but I want to get my hair done so bad. I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, whatever. Yeah, see how it's all grown out? That's why I was trying to get that hair appointment so fast, because the girl needs help with her hair. Oh, I see her pull in. I'll see you later. Good morning. This is my OOTD today. Wearing like a simple Cami and cardigan set. And then wearing these loose jeans. These are from Lee. They're like a vintage style. They said stove top. And it has like a little buckle right here with the old school Lee. But yeah, that's the outfit. This is the jacket that I'll be wearing. It's from Joie. It is chilly outside for us Californians. So I just got home. I'm gonna make myself something to eat, do some yoga. I had to really find motivation this week to work out because I just don't have any motivation. But I haven't been really healthy, I haven't been taking care of myself, and I can definitely feel it in my energy level, my mood, like focus, concentration, all that. So because of that, I tell myself I have to take care of myself. But yeah, and I'm wearing these Klein leggings, and then I'm gonna change my top. But first I'm gonna eat something, and then I'm gonna work out, and then just probably edit for the rest of the night and get ready for tomorrow. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Good morning. This is my OOTD today. So I'm wearing actually mostly vintage. This is just like a random long sleeve cotton top that I got from Marshall's. My Mejuri necklaces. And this jacket is actually part of a two-piece. It has a dress that came with it. It's from the 80s. And it's 100% wool and made in the USA. They still have shoulder pads. It's cropped. And this jacket with the dress, I got it for like $6 together. So don't sleep on thrifting, guys. These pants are thrifted as well. They're men's Levi's tailor. I think it's from like the 70s when Levi's first started doing tailored pants for men. It does not compliment my butt because it is very loose on me. And believe it or not, I actually had it tailored to fit me, but I think I was like a little bit bigger than I am now, so I think I have to get it retailored. The baggy men's trouser look is in. So yeah. This is my OOTD today. I'm gonna go get my hair done. And I'm wearing a Chalino Sanchez shirt. It's just because it's black. This is something I wear to sleep. And then if hair dye gets on it, I won't be sad. And then I'm wearing like that cotton shirt that I wore a few days ago or a couple days ago at work, just underneath it, just in case if my arm gets cold. And then this vest is a North Face vest. My jeans. And just some boots, my cow boots. And I'm pretty sure y'all recognize the bag. Yeah, let's go. Hi, Sydney. I don't know if you remember me, but
oh my god, yeah! Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well.
Oh my gosh! You know what that's
Choco Taco. This dog is like a cat. I'm so excited for this hair, guys. And it's even cooler that everything's meant to be that I ended up booking an appointment with this girl that I used to work with, so best vibes. So I just got my hair done. This is what it looks like. I feel like a brand new person. Yes, so we went for this icy blonde. It's like silver. Oh my gosh, I love it. I love these colors that I can't name. Like, you can't say it's gray. You can't say it's silver. You can't say it's purple. You can't say it's blonde, but it's a color. And it complements my skin tone without makeup. I feel so alive. Like, I'm telling you, like, when a girl looks good, she feels good about herself. I feel so much better about myself. Hi guys, this is my OOTD today, and I have same thing, my pearl source pearl necklace. This is my Mejuri gold chain. This I got it off of an Instagram store, but I don't remember which one. And then this top, it says fashion stole my money, I think. Yeah, it says fashion stole my money. I mean, it's kind of true. And then a little denim skirt. And my cowboy boots again. And then also my purse. So, hi guys, I'm here with my friend Devere. We came to our little downtown because I heard that there was a pet costume parade today downtown, but apparently I'm wrong. So I guess it was last weekend, and I thought because today is Halloween, but since we're here, we're still gonna do something fun, right? I mean, we can still walk around. People are still in costumes.
I really wanted to see some pets in costumes, though.
You're like disappointed. You're like, I wasn't here for the people.
No.
Oh, and I did my makeup today. I didn't rush because I want to show you that I can clean up. I started this vlog like looking so ratchet. Like my hair wasn't even done. Like, oh my gosh. Like I look back at editing and then sometimes I'm like, man, like that's gonna be people's first impression of me. Like she's a little ratchet, but no guys, I can clean up. Oh, follow my Instagram. Like I look the best on Instagram. But yeah. Oh yeah, we can just have like random conversations. Oh my gosh, don't finish my sentence.
Jinx, you owe me
I'm cutting that one out. Everything was fine until you had to say
Jinx, you owe me boba.
oh yeah, let's look at boba. When you're friends with an Asian girl.
I did the accessories myself.
You did the accessories yourself?
I purchased them and then
Yeah? That's really cool.
all these cars are the same but different in their own way.
Yeah, you guys all show your personality. Alright guys, so I am signing off on the vlog. Thank you guys so much for following me around this week, and I hope you guys enjoy the vlogs, and I'll see y'all later. Bye!